Drive cycle 2 guy. Check engine light still on.
He just needs some help, man. He just needs some help. And my thing is this: who was watching him when he went to the kitchen? Like, man, where was your parents at? You know, obviously he was staying at home with his mother because he said he set her garage on fire. So, and that goes also to you women. Y'all can't be giving folks bad news. If he didn't perform well with his Trans Am, let him know. Say, hey, man, you might need to get an oil change or something, bro. Because hey, you wouldn't hit his heels like you know. Trust me, it could have been you.
Play too much
sleeping beside him. You done told the man he didn't do well. That man could have cut your head off. So, you know, sometimes y'all gotta let these men down easy. Tell them they the best thing since sliced bread. Then go home and ghost them. Change the number. Move out your apartment. Do anything. But don't just be in their face like you wasn't nothing, because somebody triggered that man. And whoever it was,
it's hilarious.
They need their ass whooped too.
Well, hard. Now, if this drive cycle don't do it, I don't know what. I'm in the slow ass McDonald's drive-thru. I ought to be here an hour. This motherfucker if it's gonna stall, it ought to stall. If the check engine light gonna go off, it ought to go off. All this shit ought to happen right now. Slow ass McDonald's. And there ain't even that many people in this zone. What's the hold up, cuz? Fucking burger and fries, cuz ain't no top shelf shit. Still here, gang. I ain't went nowhere yet. Yeah, do you? Put these bitches in the dirt, hey! Yes, gang. We outside moving about. I should have let y'all watch me pump gas, but it ain't that crucial for y'all to watch it move out, mate. I'ma put out what I'ma put out, and that's that. Everything ain't for YouTube. YouTube don't even pay enough for me to be put my whole life, my personal business. I don't give a damn about YouTube like that. I just fool with y'all. Yes, sir. Gang, gang. So slick on this little street, they be standing on the sidewalk and shit, pulling you off. They low down the hill on these little street guys. Yes, sir. Candy apple. Yes, sir. Drive cycle 2 guy. Check engine light still on. Yes, sir. Stance on that thing. Yes, sir. Catch up with him, guys.
On we go. Camera rolling. Woke up with a mission, had a whole plan made. Life laughed back and sent me down another highway. Left the cut early, coffee in the cup. Said I was going one place, now I'm somewhere else. What up? Started at a detail shop, learning every trick, buffing paint, cleaning wheels, trying to make it stick. Then the car shows came every weekend on the move. Camera in my hand, trying to find another view. Celica GT, midnight blue paint. Didn't have a lot, but I did what others ain't. Showed up anyway when they said I couldn't hang. Years later, still rolling, now they know the name.
Every road got a story, every turn got a view. Never know where I'm headed when I pull out and go through. Day in the life of on one, camera rolling till the day done. Some days sunshine, some days storms come. Either way, we still on one.
Would you go? Going on outside, gang. Yes, another drive. Still chasing that p0420 code. Yes, sir.